Hello everyone, let's go inside your PC and see what really happens. When you press the power button on your computer, it may look simple from the outside, but inside your PC, a lot of amazing things happen in just a few seconds. First, electricity flows from the power supply unit to all the internal components. The powers convert high voltage electricity from the wall socket into safe usable power for the computer parts. Next, the motherboard comes to life. The motherboard is like the main rod system of the computer. It connects and allows communication between all the components, include the CPU, memory, storage, and input and output devices. Then the CPU or central processing unit starts working. The CPU is known as the brain of the computer. It allows instructions from the operating system and software, performs calculations, make decisions, and control all other parts. Every click, key press, and commands you give is proceed here. At the same time, RAM or random access memory temporarily stores data and programs that are currently in use. RAM allows the CPU to access information very quickly, which helps your computer run smoothly and fast. When the computer is turned off, the data in RAM is cleared. After that, the storage device, such as hard disk drive or solid state drive, provide long-term storage. This is where your operating system applications, files, photos and videos are saved permanently, even when the power is off. Finally, output devices like the monitor, speaker or printer show or play the results of all these processes. What you see on the screen is the final results of millions of calculations happening every second inside your PC. So, although a computer looks quiet and simple from the outside, inside it is a powerful system working together at incredible speed. Understanding what happens inside your PC help us use technology more efficiently and appreciate the amazing design behind modern computers. Now you know what really happens inside your PC. From the CPU that thinks to the RAM that keeps everything fast and the motherboard that connects it all together. Technology may look simple on outside, but inside it is working hard every second. If you enjoyed this lesson and found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss our future videos, and join us for more easy and interesting ICT lessons. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.